Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn any image into Ghibli art. I'll explain the process in a very simple and easy way. So let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT application. You can easily download it from the Google Play Store. When you open the app, you'll see an interface like this. At the bottom left, you'll see a plus icon, click on it. After clicking, you'll see three options to add a photo: Photos, Camera, and Files. You can choose any of these options to select a photo. I'll click on Photos. Now all the images from my phone are visible here. I'll select the image that I want to turn into Ghibli art. Then click on Add at the bottom. The image has now been added. Next, we need to give a prompt to ChatGPT, telling it what we want to do with the image. So here, type this prompt. Convert this image into Ghibli art. After typing the prompt, click on the send icon. And there you go, within 2 to 4 seconds, your image will be transformed into beautiful Ghibli art. Now just tap on the image, and you'll see a save icon at the bottom. Click on it, and the image will be saved to your gallery. So, this is how you can easily turn any image into Ghibli art in just a few seconds without wasting time. Thank you so much for watching the video.